AI has the word intelligence in the acronym, but intelligent assistants are pretty dumb and they can be manipulated. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an infinite loop using virtual assistants.
Go ahead.
Steven, I already recognize your voice.
Before I get started, please take a moment to subscribe to the How to Do It All channel for more how-to videos. So back in 2018, my CNET colleague Lexi Savitas showed us how to make an infinite loop with smart speakers. She used an Apple HomePod, a Google Home, and an Amazon Echo Dot to make them talk to each other in circles, and it was really quite entertaining.
Hey Siri, read me my reminders.
I found only one reminder. Hey Google, what's on my calendar today?
Today, there's only one thing on your calendar. It's at 5 p.m. and its title is, Alexa read my to-do list.
You have one item on your to-do list. Hey Siri, read my reminders.
I found only one reminder. Hey Google, what's on my calendar today?
Today, there's only one thing on your calendar. It starts at 5 p.m. and the title is, Alexa read my to-do list.
You have one item on your to-do list.
So funny.
Hey Siri, read my reminders.
So we produced a 4+ hour live stream of the smart speakers talking to each other in circles until one of them finally failed to respond. Go check out the video and find out who finally broke the loop around the 4-hour mark.
What's on my to-do list?
Fun times at work that day for sure. So it's not quite infinite if you know what I mean, but with a good internet connection and the AI assistants understanding the sound and delivery of each other's voices, you can get the loop to go on for quite a long time. Now I know there's no real practical use for this AI trickery, but it could open your mind to future applications automating robots to talk to each other or work together to complete a task. So for today's infinite loop demonstration, I'm going to use 3 laptops, a MacBook Pro with Siri, a Dell Latitude with Alexa installed, and an HP Spectre with Cortana. Hey Cortana, welcome to How to Do It All. Okay. So I'm most concerned with Cortana because we haven't worked together before, and I know she's more limited in what she could read back to a user. It's also worth mentioning that Cortana is native to Windows 10, just as Siri is native to Mac OS. But Alexa, I had to download from the Windows Store and sign into my Amazon account to access her on my Windows PC. So let's get started. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is turn on the wake words for all 3 virtual assistants. For Siri, the wake words are, Hey Siri. For Alexa, the wake word is Alexa. And for Cortana, it's, Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana. Here we go. See, I'm worried about her. I'm worried about her.
I don't know the answer to this one, but I'm learning.
Okay, she's learning. She's learning. Now you could take some time to allow the virtual assistant to learn the voice of the virtual assistant that it will be taking orders from. This might make the infinite loop work a little better, but I'm not going to get too deep into the voice learning process for each assistant in this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask Alexa to add something to my to-do list. Alexa, add something to my to-do list.
What can I add for you?
Cortana, read my upcoming events.
Cortana, read my upcoming events added to your to-do list.
So now when I ask Alexa to read my to-do list, she will trigger Cortana to read my upcoming events. Alexa, read my to-do list.
You have one item on your to-do list. Cortana, read my upcoming events.
Now I'm going to add an event in my Outlook calendar so Cortana will have a response. Now I never use my personal Outlook account for the calendar, so I'm going to schedule something way far out in the future. I'm going to name my event, Hey Siri, read my to-do list. Cortana, read my upcoming events.
Next up, on Saturday at 8 a.m., Hey Siri, read my to-do list.
So now Alexa triggers Cortana, and Cortana will have a response that triggers Siri, and then it'll just keep going in a circle. Now the last thing I need to do is create a reminder with Siri. Hey Siri, set a reminder.
What do you want to be reminded about?
Alexa, read my to-do list.
Okay, added.
Now the infinite loop is ready to go, and all we need to do is trigger one of the assistants to get it started. I'll start with Cortana since she's new here. Cortana, read my upcoming events.
Next up, on Saturday at 8 a.m., hey Siri, read my to-do list.
There's one reminder on your to-do list. Alexa, what's on my to-do list?
You have one item on your to-do list. Cortana, read my upcoming events.
Next up, on Saturday at 8 a.m., hey Siri, read my to-do list.
There's one reminder on your to-do list. Alexa, what's on my to-do list?
You have one item on your to-do list. Cortana, read my upcoming events.
Next up, on Monday at 8 a.m., hey Siri, read my to-do list.
There's one reminder on your to-do list. Alexa, what's on my to-do list?
You have one item on your to-do list. Cortana, read my upcoming events.
Well, that's all there is to it. You could probably do this at home with a phone, a tablet, and a computer, so why not give it a try? Give us a like and ring that bell for more videos from how to do it all. And if you have any other fun ideas to do with virtual assistants, let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.